Liza May San Buenaventura. First platoon leader, boys, Carl Rafael Cortez. Second platoon leader, boys, Paul James Tale. School head, Mr. Celito V. Tyson. CTP MAPE facilitator, Ronnie Dyer, Mark Jennings, Villas. CTP David, Norberto Gonzalez, and Rona Pisa. Major and coordinator, Nick Buzon, Jan Francis Anamol, and Joel Roselio. DCC coordinator, Mark Tyrone Belmonte, Mary Anora, and John Paul Sabor. Romulo Guerrera, April Laika Lobo, and Camille Sanchez. Thank you very much. That was San Agustin Standalone Senior High School from San Agustin, Irigas City.
Up next are non-competing contingents.